Okay, so we've just drawn this part in one CNC XR8. And I'm going to show you the sort of process now of, we've drawn this, we've generated the tool paths, I'm going to stick it on the machine. So what we do is we click over here, these are the tool paths I've generated. I'm going to go to simulate rest. I'm going to pick a boundary, click that, right click. So now this is showing us the CAD side of things. You can speed it up. The spotting's a bit mad, but you know. So that's our part when we're done. Pretty simple part. Say motor mount for a CNC router. So I'll send it to the machine. So what I would do now, I've just done this, close that. I'm going to click on here and go post group, post, and then you send it to whatever file, usually USB or whatever, and then it's, for me, because I'm using a Siemens 810D controller, I save it on a USB. So we're going to go to the machine, close that. So I've put the USB in the machine. I've got one of these little Titan, like a DNC. So the way I run the machine is by sort of like drip feeding or direct numerical control, just because this old controller is fucking wank. So if we go set, I've got some tool paths on here, jumbo tool path, that's what we're having. So I'm going to put my machine now in auto, and then we're going to go. Now I've had to put something into the post to allow this to happen. Bit of a nightmare to get sorted out, to be honest, but it's all fun and games, the world of CNC. So we're going to go continue, execute RS232. So if you can see now, this has come up. We'll press start, and then I'm going to press set on here, and that'll start sending over onto here. It's as simple as that. Now the machine's ready to run. These are really good. They add basically like a USB port to your machine. So let's see what happens. And we're machining. Parts on. There we go. So now we're doing the mad sort of spotting pattern. Should be okay. I think that's pretty good actually. So I think he's going to go back in and do another pass. It's mainly just the chips we've got to watch. So that's gone down 12 mil. So here we go, should be okay. Got plenty of room now for the chips to be evacuated. It's mainly on this other side when the nozzle doesn't have anywhere to go. Nice. Baby cuts for this machine, but rather it were like that than the other way. Snapping tools every 2 seconds. See, it's not getting enough like coolant across. Should be okay actually, just have to see how it goes as it gets a bit deeper. Pretty nice that actually. Should stop in a second. There we go. That's us. Yeah, it's just hitting the plastic underneath. Cool, nice part. There's a little bit in there. I think that's most likely where it's just touching a bit, maybe a bit of flex. I've not really got the best, most rigid way of holding this down, but that is a really nice part considering I've had this machine a month.